Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. A customer wants to have the ability to show network usage. Which product would allow them to have this visibility? Option A, UXI. Option B, HPE Aruba Networking ClearPass. Option C, HPE Aruba Networking Central. Option D, OS8X. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, HPE Aruba Networking Central. Question 2. What is the best practice for using VSX at the core of a 3-tier design? Option A. You should implement VSX at the core when the aggregation layer is layer 3 only with OSPF routed traffic forwarding between the core and aggregation layers. Option B. You should never implement VSX at the core of a 3-tier redundancy core. Option C. VSX lags allow the collapsed core to connect directly to services such as gateways and services only so long as spanning tree is used to prevent loops. Option D. You should implement VSX at the core when the aggregation layer operates at layer 2 only. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. You should implement VSX at the core when the aggregation layer operates at layer 2 only. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.